Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 2 is equals to 16 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start the today's video solution. So x power 2 is equals to 16. Now I'm going to do squaring both sides. Now x power 2 whole square is equals to 16. We can write it as 4 square whole square. Now x power 2 whole square is equals to 4. We can write it as 2 square whole square. Now if we compare both sides, the value of x is 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.